And here it is, guys. Today it's the day. Today I will be telling you everything you need to know about the future of Bentley. Here, ladies and gentlemen, I have the EXP 15, and today I will be walking you around and showing you all the design highlights and features and telling you more about this car in specific. So we are right now in the UK at the Bentley headquarters, and we are at the design department, and here we are in the middle of the construction works. When the car will be unveiled next week, I'm actually filming it beforehand. When you watch the video, this will be all finished, because here they will be showing and presenting the car to the world. So I hope you don't mind all the background noises, and I hope you enjoy the video. So the EXP 15, the experimental 15, is a design vision of showing the future of Bentley design and transforming inspiration from heritage to the modern era. As most of you guys already know, Bentley is preparing the first full electric car, which will be coming next year by 2026. And here we will be finding a lot of inspirations and a lot of design details, which we will be finding in that car as well. So the overall design here is inspired by the 1930 Bentley Blue Train. So there's actually a funny story about the car and why it's called the Blue Train. There were two friends that were challenging each other. There was a blue train, a train that was going from Cannes, south of France, to Calais. And one friend challenged the other, saying, I would be reaching Calais faster with your train. And by the time his friend arrived with the train in Calais, he was already in London. So that's why they called it the Blue Train. That's how the car looked like. So here we have a lot of that design inspired and moved into the modern era. The exterior color is called Palace Gold. It's a satin color, looks extremely cool. Yeah, and when you just look at the front, we have a lot of changes when, for example, focusing on the Bentley emblem. This is the all new and updated Bentley emblem, and also here with the inspiration from the Falcon wings on the top emblem. Looks quite cool, illuminated. Maybe this is something we will be seeing on the electric Bentley in the future. So there's something quite exciting and interesting when you look at the side view. This thing is humongous, I'm telling you, just by the wheelbase. But what's even more interesting is that there's a lot of things happening here at the front. It's called upright elegance. See the front here with the updated setup, especially here design-wise with the light setting. And since we don't actually need a grille, now we can use this space here literally as an art piece, you know. This is quite cool. We have a lot of light all around, surrounding the front. I just want to say grille, but it's not a grille anymore. It's not even an intake. We have this surrounding all around. We have two LED bars here as well. And this is the front of the EXP 15, and yeah, this is the upright elegance design feature. But when you just look at the side, then you can see the bonnet and the size in general. This is what they call the endless bonnet, since it's extremely long, and just from the driver's perspective, it's just never ending. It's something quite cool. The way they also shaped it, we also have some additional details here. This leather strap here, which they, I think, used back in the days for the luggage. Now it's just a design detail, and looks quite cool all around. We have some really nice and cool finished wheels here, full gold. We have the black finishing here. I wish this would be the turning B here, but anyways, looks quite cool in addition to the color and the finish in general. Then when we look at it from this side and a bit of the rear, you can already notice the iconic Bentley resting beast position of the car. Just look at the stand, just look at the rear, the shoulders of this car. Just literally, it stands for symbol at Bentley, the resting beast. You have a lot of power in the back, in the shoulders of this car. It's quite cool. Also illuminated Bentley emblem here all around the C-pillar. I mean, we actually have no B-pillar, and that's quite interesting, because on this side we have one door, and on the other side, let me show you, we have two doors. And this because this car is actually a three-seater. Something quite unusual is, for this one here, we have suicide doors. This back seat is actually moving all the way to the front. You can just enter it and then it moves all the way to the back again. We have the driver's seat on this side, 2 seats in the back, and this seat just moving all the way to the front and to the back. You can just position it the way you want, and additionally we have a lot of space for your pet. On the side, some of you guys already noticed, we have no side mirrors. This actually saying LiDAR tag, here you can see it. I think they use it for autonomous driving with this vehicle. I mean, looks quite fancy and cool. For me personally, I always prefer the traditional side mirrors because I kind of get confused when you have mirrors. I don't even think that this will be the future. Yeah, but depends. Just from design perspectives, looks quite cool. Here in the rear, this is the setting, and here you can also see the design of the taillights. It's quite cool looking. Something that I have to mention is that we have active aero here on top. We have these flaps moving up and down. It's quite cool for an rear extension. Also the way they actually shape the rear here, almost looking like a coupe, quite sporty and yet elegant, just from the way it looks, in addition with the Palace gold color that we have here. And I think maybe these also move down here in the rear diffuser. I think these are also additional flaps that move. Maybe, I don't know. We have an ultra light camera right over here. I think, yeah, it's easier to park then. And LiDAR tag here on top again. We have the updated Bentley emblem here again. It's illuminated. Bentley also here, the lettering. And yeah, as soon as you actually open up the trunk space, we have a picnic set moving out. We have a table, some seats. It's quite cool. Unfortunately, can't demonstrate that here. And yeah, what do you guys actually think about the future of Bentley? What do you actually think about this design concept? Do you think they're going the right way or not? Please share it in the comment section below. I guess in the future, by next year actually, we will be seeing a full electric version of the Bentley. And I think we will be seeing quite a lot of design highlights and elements reflecting onto that model. So can't wait to show you this in the future. So that's about it for today's video, guys. How do you like the EXP, the experimental 15 design vision that we have here? How do you guys like the front, the side? It's quite an unusual approach of Bentley. When you just look at it, for example, at the front, I was expecting to see round headlights, but with this one, in this shape here, I don't know, this is the future of Bentley. This is the way maybe they will be going. Yeah, how do you guys like it? Rate this design concept from 1 to 10 in the comment section below. Already looking forward to see you all again and wish you an amazing day. I will be back, and hopefully next time this place will be fully finished construction wise, and then we can shoot some cooler videos inside this place. Hope you enjoyed watching today's video. I'm sorry for all the background noises. I'm already looking forward to see you all again and wish you an amazing day. I will be back.